Did ancient Indian sages know the speed of light thousands of years before modern science? Today, we'll explore one of the most fascinating claims from the Vedas and see how it aligns with modern scientific discoveries. The Vedas are ancient Indian texts, revered not only as spiritual guides but also as repositories of immense knowledge. Among these texts lies a verse from the Rig Veda that mentions the sun traveling 2,202 yojanas in half a nimisha. But what does that mean? A yojana is an ancient unit of distance, approximately 8 miles or 13 kilometers, and a nimisha is a unit of time, roughly 1675th of a second. When you crunch the numbers, the speed of light calculated from this verse comes shockingly close to the modern scientific value of 299,792 kilometers per second. Now compare this to 1676, when Danish astronomer Ole Romer first attempted to measure the speed of light using Jupiter's moons, thousands of years after the Vedas were composed. How could an ancient text possess such precise knowledge? Skeptics argue that this might be a coincidence or an interpretation added much later. However, many scholars believe that ancient Indian sages used profound observational skills and mathematical frameworks that we are only beginning to understand. Whether you see this as a stroke of coincidence or a glimpse of ancient genius, one thing is clear: the Vedas continue to inspire curiosity and debate, bridging the gap between mythology and science. So, what do you think? Did the Vedas truly predict the speed of light, or is this an extraordinary interpretation? Comment below and share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Vedic Eye for more mind-expanding insights into ancient knowledge and modern science.